A study conducted by Stanford Medicine has discovered unique patterns of brain organization in both women and men. Greetings, everyone. In today's video, we will delve into a fascinating study conducted by Stanford Medicine, which sheds light on the unique brain organization patterns observed in women and men. This groundbreaking research utilized an advanced artificial intelligence model, boasting an impressive accuracy rate of over 90%. To differentiate between brain scans of females and males. The implications of these findings are significant as they highlight the importance of comprehending these disparities in the context of neuropsychiatric conditions that manifest differently in women and men. Furthermore, the study pinpointed the specific brain networks that played a pivotal role in the AI model's ability to discern the gender of the individual from the brain scan. Without further delay, let us embark on our insightful discussion. Stanford Medicine researchers have recently revealed an innovative artificial intelligence model that achieved a success rate of over 90% in accurately discerning the gender of individuals based on brain activity scans. The results, set to be released on February 19th in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, provide a resolution to a long-standing debate about the presence of consistent gender disparities in the human brain. Furthermore, these findings indicate that comprehending these disparities is crucial in addressing neuropsychiatric disorders that impact men and women in distinct ways. Vinod Menon, PhD, who serves as the director of the Stanford Cognitive and Systems Neuroscience Laboratory and is a professor of psychiatry and behavioral sciences, highlighted the significance of studying the impact of sex on human brain development, aging, and the expression of psychiatric and neurological disorders. The objective of this study is to identify reliable and consistent sex differences in the healthy adult brain, as this will contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of the specific susceptibilities associated with psychiatric and neurological disorders. The senior author of the study is Menon, while the lead authors are PhD senior research scientist Srikanth Riali and PhD academic staff researcher Yuen Zhang. The model identified specific hotspots that were particularly influential in differentiating between male and female brains. These included the default mode network, responsible for processing self-referential information, as well as the striatum and limbic network, which play a role in learning and our response to rewards. The researchers made it clear that their study does not provide any insight into whether sex-related disparities emerge early in life or are influenced by hormonal variations, or the distinct societal circumstances that men and women are more likely to encounter. The ongoing debate among scientists regarding the extent to which an individual's sex influences the organization and functioning of their brain has yet to be definitively resolved. While it is known that the sex chromosomes we inherit play a role in determining the hormonal environment our brains are exposed to during crucial periods of development, such as early life, puberty, and aging, scientists have struggled to establish concrete disparities in the human brain based on sex. Brain structures appear to be similar between men and women, and previous research investigating how different brain regions interact has largely failed to identify consistent indicators of sex. Utilizing the latest developments in artificial intelligence and leveraging extensive datasets, Menon and his research team embarked on a groundbreaking investigation. Their approach surpassed previous methods by employing a sophisticated deep neural network model. This model was trained to categorize brain imaging data, enabling it to discern between male and female brains based on subtle patterns. By exposing the model to brain scans and informing it of the gender associated with each scan, they began to identify the intricate cues that facilitated accurate differentiation. By utilizing a deep neural network to analyze dynamic MRI scans, this particular model showcased exceptional capabilities, surpassing those of previous studies. This innovative approach effectively captures the complex interactions between various regions of the brain. Upon conducting tests on approximately 1,500 brain scans, the model consistently demonstrated the ability to accurately identify the gender of the individual represented in the scan. The triumph of the model implies that there are indeed discernible disparities between the sexes in terms of brain structure. although these distinctions have not been consistently identified in previous research. The remarkable efficacy of the model across various data sets, encompassing brain scans collected from numerous locations in the United States and Europe, lends additional credibility to the findings, as it effectively addresses numerous factors that can complicate studies of this nature. According to Menon, this serves as compelling evidence that the organization of the human brain is heavily influenced by sex. In the past, models similar to the one used by Menon's team were useful for categorizing brains into various groups, but they lacked the ability to explain the process behind the categorization. Fortunately, with the advent of explainable AI, researchers now have a powerful tool at their disposal that can analyze extensive datasets and provide insights into the decision-making process of these models. By employing explainable AI, Menon and his team were able to pinpoint the key brain networks that played a crucial role in the model's determination of whether a brain scan belonged to a male or a female. Their analysis revealed that the default mode network, striatum, and limbic network were the primary areas of focus for the model when making this distinction. In an effort to further their research, the team contemplated the possibility of constructing an additional model that could forecast participants' performance on specific cognitive tasks by taking into account the distinct functional brain features found in both men and women. They successfully devised sex-specific models to assess cognitive abilities. One model accurately predicted cognitive performance in men, while another model did so for women. These results underscore the behavioral consequences of divergent functional brain characteristics observed between the sexes. According to Menon, the effectiveness of these models can be attributed to their ability to accurately distinguish brain patterns between genders. This observation highlights the importance of considering sex differences in brain organization, as overlooking this aspect could result in missing crucial factors that contribute to neuropsychiatric disorders. Applying their deep neural network model to inquiries about disparities between genders, the team led by Menon discovered that their model can be utilized to address inquiries about the relationship between various aspects of brain connectivity and cognitive abilities or behaviors. Menon and his team have intentions to release their model to the public, allowing any researcher to utilize it for their own investigations. According to Menon, our AI models possess extensive versatility. Researchers have the opportunity to utilize our models in exploring brain disparities associated with learning disabilities or variations in social functioning. These are areas of great interest to us as we strive to enhance individuals' ability to adapt and overcome these obstacles. The National Institutes of Health, the Transdisciplinary Initiative, the Oitengsu Hamilton 22q11 programs, the Stanford Maternal and Child Health Research Institute, and the NARSAD Young Investigator Award provided sponsorship for the research. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.